Is the Lovebox First Together starter set perfect for beginners? Let's explore this question today. The Together starter set is perfect for beginners, and these are perfect for couples who are curious about using sex toys but have little to no experience in using them. This box includes many different toys which are unique for him and for her. Let's take a look at what's included. We have an eye mask just here with an elastic backing. To ensure a comfortable fit, it's silky soft and smooth. It's a great way to tease and please your partner and enjoy an exciting night in the bedroom. We also have a sex dice here which has many different positions on here. Simply roll the dice, see what sex position it lands on and do it. There's also a toy cleaner included. This is very important and highly recommended to use after using all your toys. A fantastic hygienic way to take care of your toys. There's also a bullet vibrator and a couples vibrator. The bullet vibrator is perfect for her, stimulating the vagina and the clitoris. You can also use the couples masturbator here as a masturbator and also a G-spot vibrator as well. It's multifunctional and the bullet vibrator at the top is also removable. Also included is a masturbator sleeve. If we take a look on the inside, we can see it's studded for fantastic stimulation during use. The material is also stretchy and super soft and flexible for the perfect and comfortable fit as well. And last but not least, we also have a satin cuff. You can tie your partner up with these, and this makes it even more fun and exciting for you. Also included in the starter set is an extensive user manual. It's written in English and has lots of tips and tricks on how to use the Together box. This manual contains all the do's and don'ts and makes you confident to start this new journey with your partner. Did you enjoy this video? Did you find it helpful? Why not take a look at our other product videos in this collection? Do you have a question for us? Why not drop a comment below and we'll get back to you.